What is the difference between a permanent resident and a temporary resident? There are major differences between temporary residents and permanent residents, taken from rights to the duration of stay and the activities they can do in Canada. The following are some of the major differences. Temporary residents must leave Canada by the end of their authorized stay in Canada. Permanent residents can live in Canada indefinitely. Temporary residents need a permit to work or study in Canada. Permanent residents do not need permits for work or study. Temporary residents pay for most social and public services offered by the government. Permanent residents do not need to pay for most social and public services offered by the government. Temporary residents cannot enjoy Canadian protection under most Canadian laws and government protection. Permanent residents enjoy full protection under the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms and other laws. Temporary residents must have a visa or an entry permit to re-enter Canada. Permanent residents do not need a Canadian visa to re-enter Canada, should they have a valid PR card. Temporary residents have to qualify for a PR program to get permanent residence. Permanent residents can apply for citizenship after spending 3 years in the last 5 years in Canada. This is his/her right, not a privilege to receive Canadian citizenship.